Doing little chores. Oh, we got the dogs coming our way. Round 2 here. 9th day of May, 2024. Ocean City, Maryland.
I just never get tired of the ocean.
Nope. Hi guys. What's you guys' name?
Hi, this is Pepper and Ziggy.
Hi Pepper and Ziggy. Hi guys. Hi. Hi.
How was the beach?
Oh.
She wasn't stopping for you.
What?
She wasn't stopping for you.
No. Pet the dogs. Interesting complex. What do they go for in the summertime?
Probably a lot.
Samurai Cafe, breakfast and lunch. Sahara, excuse me. How many blocks does this thing go?
3 miles.
3 miles.
I don't know how many blocks that is. All I know is it's 3 miles.
There's free parking on, did you say Monday through Thursday or something? Was that late?
That's what she said.
So,
That's what the sign said.
pretty quiet. We're gonna go see some wild horses at some park probably tomorrow or something.
Spread the love around.
Go to Berlin, small town.
We can also go. We can go and check. We can like up to Rehoboth. See what's up there too. To where we drove through.
Hobo, what was it? Hobo?
Rehoboth Beach.
Oh yeah, okay.
Remember?
Yep.
You didn't know. You asked how to pronounce it.
Yep.
I don't know.
Sure.
Some butts and mini golf.
Yeah. Mini putt. Yep.
See, all these steps would just be killing me right now.
I know those would be. Look at that.
It would be just like, oh shit.
Neil Diamond. I saw Barry Manilow's coming to town in August.
Oh really?
Yeah. Police patrol off duty until May of 2024.
Oh, it's May 2024.
Yeah.
Malia's Cafe. Healthy
Good.
food.
That's eat in, take out. Baltimore is down there, the avenue. Kind of like Mission Beach, Mission Avenue, whatever it was called. Still love it. We were in
Pacific.
Pacific.
You mean the one in Virginia Beach?
No, the one in San Diego.
Oh.
We were in. Here's the. I wanted something special. My almond, and the lady goes, "This is what is it? IHOP Sunday morning, yeah."
Sunday at IHOP.
Yeah. Okay. So.
$10 an hour? Ouch.
How much?
$10 an hour?
Really? Wow. Didn't we have an all-day thing? Oh.
We had it for like 5 days.
Yeah.
$10 an hour?
Jesus.
Oh,
Tobacco. Look at that behavior in there. Oh my goodness. 1875 established.
that's a little spendy, $10 an hour.
Yeah, it's prostitution, Sherry. Prostitution. Jewelry. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's not real for $109.
Right. Huh. Mark Douglas Jewelry.
Oh my God,
Fall down those, you're drunk. You're in big trouble.
it took me a while to get up those.
Yep.
Right now.
Not open yet. She's actually going to, for the first time tomorrow morning, get coffee at McDonald's. I had to go into a McDonald's on the way down to test the French fries to make sure they were okay. Roll in there, use the sandbox. But
Like some people, I don't go to McDonald's.
you know,
I
so
don't go to Burger King.
I'm a whore of Burger King. I stock Burger King, fast food.
It's been 20 years since I've eaten at McDonald's.
Nice little pool right there.
Rum Shack, yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, that'd be a cool place. Hell yeah, no alcohol beyond this point. Damn it. Still like to own my own little Caribbean, my own little beach, like something like that. The one beach we went to the one time, the guy had way down with his mom or something. Had a really cool beach. My own bar on the beach called Cowboy's Place. Have a website, have a hot piece of ass, getting people to come over to it. It's kind of nice. Real eats and high spirits, nice.
Yeah, look at this. I don't mean to look at this one.
Lunch, din, rules, outdoor dining. Oh,
Let's look at the menu.
go ahead.
Oh, this is just the breakfast one.
See, $17, $22, $13. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think I looked at this and it didn't meet the criteria.
Okay, Hyatt Place.
Because we stayed at the Hyatt Place before. A couple times we stayed at the Hyatt House.
Was it
Tampa we did Hyatt House, and then another one we stayed at the Hyatt.
about 5 block walk to get down to the boardwalk from our area? Not bad.
Yeah. 4 or 5.
Franco's Bar, pizza. Shopper's Paradise. Oh yeah.
Wow.
With that behavior. See, they're open. They're smart. Lifeguard.
I mean, if you own it and you don't have to hire someone right now,
Right.
you know, why not?
This is a nice one right here. Look at this. Paradise. Nice.
That's pretty. That's really nice.
$39.
How much?
39.
It's not horrible.
Double XL. Nice.
Kind of weird. It feels weird.
Got your.
Like it's
Yep. Look at these shoes. My goodness. There you go.
rock, rock, rock.
Yep. Got all kinds of. I remember those one time, a boogie board that one time. That was fun. Yeah, that was fun. Cool little deck. Captain's Table restaurant.
Nice patio area.
Yeah,
And
it's nice.
tables, loungers.
Yeah. Kind of get down here, it's kind of nice. You got a big thing out there, you can walk out. So, yeah. So, Captain's Table restaurant right here. Breakfast.